Introduction. Welcome to Bike Empire, where we break down India's most trusted two-wheelers. Today, we're taking a close look at the Hero HF Deluxe, a motorcycle that has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable and fuel-efficient commuter bikes on the road. Design and build. The Hero HF Deluxe features a simple yet practical design that perfectly suits everyday commuting. Its clean body lines, comfortable seat, and sturdy build make it ideal for both city rides and rough rural roads. Engine and performance. Powered by a refined 97.2 cubic centimeters engine, the HF Deluxe delivers smooth and dependable performance. It's tuned for efficiency and durability, offering a stress-free ride with minimal maintenance needs. Mileage and efficiency. Mileage is where the Hero HF Deluxe truly shines. Known for excellent fuel economy, this bike is a top choice for riders who want to save on fuel costs without compromising daily usability. Comfort and handling. With a comfortable riding posture, soft suspension, and lightweight handling, the HF Deluxe makes daily commuting easy and fatigue-free, even on longer rides. Features and safety. The bike comes with essential features like a reliable braking system, sturdy chassis, and practical instrument cluster, everything needed for safe and confident daily travel. Price and verdict. Affordable, efficient, and extremely reliable, the Hero HF Deluxe remains a smart choice for budget-conscious riders. If you're looking for a no-nonsense commuter that delivers value every day, this bike deserves serious consideration.